Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have the Dyson Zone headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily remove them from your My Dyson account and app. Let's get started. First we have to open the app and then we have to go into the settings by clicking this icon over there. Now we have to go into the product settings and now we have to scroll all the way down until we see remove product. Now we have to go into remove and now we have to click remove product. Now we can click remove and your machine has been removed. Now I have to click OK and that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.